Ah, sige na. Hi guys, now is going to school now. Hatid ko siya.
Oh my god, the phone's wet. Sorry guys.
Ulan. First day in school.
Monday, tomorrow it's gonna be full rain again. Mommy, tomorrow it's gonna be full rain again.
Yeah.
2 days. That will be 100% raining, Mama.
Let's video the
Look at the rain.
there. Hey guys, wala ka sa ulan. Yan si
It's
Mami. Buat
Mommy.
na yung baso.
Carrying my bag, and she's holding my small umbrella while I hold the big one. That's why I'm holding the phone, because I don't want the phone to get wet. Yep. But I have to wake up 5 just to go to school. Ow!
Alis pala kang payo mo, anak.
Oh, maliit na maliit. Maliit na maliit daw kay Mami yung umbrella ko. Kasi ayaw niya ako magamit eh.
Oh, gas, gas. Oh, sus.
I like to see it. Oh my god! Oh, ready. Look outside here, guys. It's raining. Nobody's outside. It's
Okay guys.
oh my. No, Mommy. I will guys return back when I reach to my school. Guys, we reached.
Give me the phone.
But it's closed.
Yan, take me.
Only there.
Basa ka? Hindi na ako papasok kuya. Oh, tanong na lang kayo na kung saan po ito. Saan yung ano mo na lang?
Nandyan sa room.
Wait, go over there. Wait, 7.
Kiss me. Hello! Tristan! Tristan! Hello, Tristan! Where's Tristan? Hi! Why are you there?
Sino naghatid sa'yo?
Yung mami ko, nandyan siya. What? Igay ko kay mama. Mama? Mama?